Tesla Cybertruck is falling apart, day by day for different owners. As the production picked up pace at Giga Texas, people who received their Cybertruck more recently started complaining about build quality issues. Undoubtedly, the pressure to make as many units as possible in a short time took its toll. These issues require a visit to a service center, parts, and time. After the delivery of brand new truck, owners had to visit service center to rectify the issue 4 to 5 times. One owner reported that back panel blew off while driving on the highway 4 days after delivery. Another owner complained that body part flopping around in the wind. The front roof line cover peeled away after a bolt came loose while driving. Other Cybertruck owners have reported similar issues, which seem widespread. One owner discovered that one of the lug nuts fell off inside the aero wheel cover, making strange noises while driving. Upon checking, found out that the other nuts were also loose. Cybertruck owners are complaining about the poor build quality of Tesla's pickup truck. The cruel reality is that, for many owners, the Cybertrucks are falling apart.